What's the meaning of breaking and entering? Breaking and entering. Breaking and entering.
Breaking and entering. Breaking and entering. Breaking and entering is a legal term that refers to the act of entering someone else's property without their permission through the use of force or deception. This crime typically involves breaking a window or picking a lock to gain access to a building, though it can also refer to unauthorized entry into a vehicle or other structure. The consequences of a breaking and entering conviction can be severe and may include fines, imprisonment, and a criminal record. In addition to facing legal consequences, those convicted of this crime may also face social stigma and difficulties finding employment or housing in the future.